Hey everyone, my name is Artyom. I'm from StatsBot. I'm here with Mike. So if someone doesn't know what is StatsBot, we are Slack bot. It basically like helps you to ask analytical questions using natural language in Slack, like how many sales did we have yesterday, and you got a chart back. Um, yeah. So we always wanted to like share something with community that we have learned so far, and I think at some point we'll do like a blog post and all this stuff. So I mean, like we have some experience. We have more than 20,000 team installed StatsBot on Slack, so we have learned something along the way, still learning, and I just want to share some points, like some tips that we have learned so far, and probably we'll do it a big presentation or a blog post at some point in the future. One of the questions like a lot of people thinking about building a bots, and especially like enterprise bots, because we are in this enterprise field. Uh, do you need a natural language processing, or you just can build a simple scripted bot? So we actually started with a simple scripted bot, and it was me and Mike only back to the days. And the first reason that we don't believe in like in NLP. We didn't believe in NLP, that we can build really cool NLP at the days. And the second reason is we just cannot build it on our own. And we did like a simple way, scripted like, hey StatsBot, how many users I have today? And hey, you have 100 users. Do you want to have see the split by countries? Yes. Could you show me, please? Do you want to see only mobile or every users? Could you please show me mobile? That was a conversation flow, and our users actually didn't like it. So everyone just asking, hey, can I just say mobile users last week by country? And we have to do it with NLP that way. So the idea here is between choosing building your own NLP or not, just like start without NLP and see if users really need it, then bring someone to the team who can build it, because you cannot rely on existing solutions. I have talked to a lot of bot builders out there, and no one really uses like AP.ai, Vid.ai. These tools are great for simple use cases, but if you want to go deeper in your own use cases, for someone it Q&A on analytics, for someone it could be scheduling meetings, you have to build your own. And once we started to do it and changing this NLP and going deeper into these use cases, I started thinking about why actually people want interact with bots this way, not a conversation, but saying a simple command. And I see that people in enterprise see bots like a service animals. They don't see it like their friends or something. They just want to do some tasks that could be automated, like remove all the routine work from you. Like 100 years, 200 years ago, machines and robots automated factories. Right now, bots are about to automate offices. So a lot of people want to give a command to a bot and just make it done. That's why we intentionally make StatsBot gender neutral, because like to emphasize the idea that it's bot. Don't try to be a friend or something else. Yeah, just a bot to help you be more productive, do your job better. And I started to think about what other use cases, how we can categorize all use cases in enterprise, and how we can build our product and build our roadmap based on what use cases really works. And I see that in enterprise, especially like talking about Slack bots, I see like 3 main use cases here. So the data gathering inside teams. So when bots just working like gathering all the data from the team and show you in a dashboard. Really good examples is Howdy, Career Lark. They're getting the data from a team Poly, yeah, and then build a dashboard. The next really good use case is Q&A. Q&A or search. It's StatsBot, Birdly, Troops, and Sudo. And second, like a third good use case is simple action. Like we need something to schedule fast with someone. It's a good example, Zoom.ai or Mikan had been acquired. So we see these use cases, and I think we do not have a time. Yeah, I mean, just wanted to talk about that. We find out that being proactive for bots really worked well for us. We recently launched a new feature, like when StatsBot could proactively notify people about about like something that happened which you haven't asked, and it's something unique that bot can do. Yeah, I mean, uh, thank you.